सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ करण एंड आज हम हमारे जो सेकेंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था उसका पार्ट 2 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। सो वी स्टार्ट्स हमने जो पार्ट 1 में इसका इंट्रोडक्शन देखा था, एसिड बेसिस एंड सॉल्ट। हमने देखा था कि व्हाट आर एसिड्स, व्हाट आर बेस, व्हाट आर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एसिड्स एंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय पीएच स्केल। सो अब हम इस पार्ट में हम देखने जा रहे हैं, हम एसिड्स एंड बेसिस ये दो चीज़ों को रिएक्ट कर कैसे सॉल्ट बनता है ये देखने जा रहे हैं। और हम इसके सारे रिएक्शंस जैसे कि हाउ डू एसिड्स एंड बेसिस रिएक्ट विथ मेटल्स, हम एसिड और बेसिस के मेटल्स के साथ रिएक्शन करने जा रहे हैं। उसके बाद फिर मेटल ऑक्साइड्स, देन विथ metal carbonates, then how do they both react with each other and what are the byproducts we are discussing in this chapter. So let's start this. So first we'll start with how do acid and bases react with each other. How do acid and bases react with metal? First हम metal के साथ देखने वाले। So acid and bases metal के साथ react कैसे करते हैं, तो उसका एक जनरल फॉर्मूला है for all the metals which react with any acid it will form salt plus hydrogen gas. So what is the formula? Acid plus metal, any acid plus any metal is formed salt plus hydrogen gas. These two are the byproduct which is compulsory to form when acid is react with metal. So for example, we taken H2SO4 which is sulfuric acid and react with zinc. So what will happen? Zn-SO4 which is also a salt and hydrogen gas will release. Then if we here react with acid, what if we react with base? What happens when we react with base? When we react metal with base, it also forms salt and hydrogen gas. Same like here, acid plus metal is equal to salt plus hydrogen gas. Same here, base plus metal is equals to salt plus hydrogen gas. So for example, we are taking that example 2NaOH plus Zn. NaOH is a base, sodium hydroxide. We all know that the metal hydroxide or metal oxides are basic in nature. So we taken 2NaOH sodium hydroxide plus zinc. What will form? 2NaZnO which is a salt and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas will evolve out. Then this is completed. We seen that how acid and bases react. When acid and bases react with metal, it either acid or base react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. In both the cases are same. Then how do metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbonate react with acids? Generally the metal carbonates and metal hydrocarbonates react with acid but not with base, because base, we all, here is one small information about the metal carbonates and metal hydrocarbonates are basic in nature. So base plus base no reaction will occur, and acid plus acid also no reaction will occur. So the metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbonate only react with acids. So here we will react, what will happen? Metal carbonate or metal hydrocarbonate when react with acid, it forms salt, carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas. Let's take one example, that N2CO3, sodium bicarbonate. This is the formula of sodium bicarbonate. When we react sodium bicarbonate with hydrochloric acid, two molecules of hydrochloric acid, then it will form NaCl which is a common salt, which is also known as common salt, and water, CO2. CO2 is a gas, water is a liquid. So this is a reaction occur when metal carbonate or metal hydrocarbonate react with acids. They form salt, carbon dioxide and water. Then we will see how acids and base react with each other. Here we seen all about the acids are reacting with metal, the base is reacting with metal, the metal carbonate are reacting with acid. It will not react with base because it is also a base. So how base, when base and base will react, no reaction will occur. So then here we will see if what happens if both will react. Now we are in this, we react with other substances. Now we will react acid plus base. What will happen? We see here acid plus base is equals to same, likewise salt plus, here the not hydrogen gas now will not form, here the water will form. So the formula for this is acid plus base is equals to salt plus water. Take one example, NaOH sodium hydroxide which is a base and HCl which is a pure acid. नो मैटर द एसिड विल कम हियर और हियर, इट विल रिएक्ट. कहते हैं ना चाकू पे खरबूजा पड़ेगा, खरबूजे पे चाकू कटने तो खरबूजा वाला, वैसे इट विल रिएक्ट नो मैटर इफ बेस इज हियर और इधर, नो मैटर. देन what will form NaCl, which is a common salt, sodium chloride, and here water will form. So this is how the acid and bases react with metal. The acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrocarbonate, and here how the acid and bases react with each other and what will form. The simple product are salt and water. So here you can observe that salt is common in every reaction of acid. Yeah, it is common in every reaction of acid. Then we will see reaction of metallic oxides and acid. We all know that there is some small information about metallic oxide. Metallic oxide are basic in nature and metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Remember this. So what will happen? The metallic oxide will only react with acid. They will not react with base. Why? Base plus base, no reaction will occur. So they will only react with acid. So we taken here reaction of metallic oxide with acid. What will happen? Metallic oxide plus acid is salt plus water. We taken MgO, magnesium oxide, which is a metallic oxide. Then we react with two molecules of hydrochloric acid. Then what will form? MgCl2 plus hydrogen plus water, H2O. H2O will form. Then in the next scenario, reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. We all know that non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature, so it will not react with acids. So it will react with only base. So reaction of non-metallic oxides with base. See here what is the formula? Non-metal oxide plus base is equal to salt plus water. So take an example for that. CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon is a non-metal and its oxide, carbon dioxide plus water. Water is a base. When water will, see here, when water will become base, it is not exponentially, but when its range is 7.5, means 7 means neutral water. It is a neutral water, and less than 7, 6.5 is also water which come from rain. Sometime you heard about acid rain. When the pH of acid will reduce, then the acid rain will occur. It is generally uncomfortable for crops, and this is a basic water. When it react with basic water, its pH is 7.5. So what will happen? This salt H2CO3, carbonic H2CO3 plus H2O, this reaction take places. Then what happens to an acid or a base when we dissolve it in a water? What will happen? Let's see. Acid, when we dissolve acid in water, it will form H plus ions. See in example we taken HCl. When we dissolve in it, it form H3O plus Cl. This Cl will remove out, and we see here one thing is that H3O will not exist. Generally H3O will not exist. The hydrogen will only exist in two states. First, this only hydrogen, or second, that water form. So H3O will again divide into H plus H2O. This state do not exist. So clear is that. And then bases. What will happen when we react bases in dissolve? We put some base in dissolved water. Generally, many of the bases will not react with water. There are some bases known as alkaline. Alkali is the base, that are only bases which react with water. So these are the bases which only react with water, and the speciality of this base is it is highly reactive, like it forms by the highly reactive metal like potassium, sodium. Like that metal form the alkali, and it is only the base which react with water. So see here, sodium hydroxide. I told you now, very high reactive, like it is sodium or potassium, KOH. These are only bases which react with water. So we taken here NaOH. When we react with H2O, dissolved water, it form Na plus OH minus ions. As usual, the formula is base dissolved in water, OH negative ions will form. So here is dissolved in water, and I told you about alkali. Alkali is, remember this is very important. It asks 2 or 3 times in CBSE board examination, that which are the bases which generally react with water. So that are alkalis. So we've seen this much information in this video. In part 2, this is the part 2 of this chapter. Then we will see in part 3 what about how the strongness of acid and bases will determine, and how can we determine that how strong is the acid or how strong is the base. Thanks.